Welcome back to Palm Springs Unwrapped. Now, viewers at home, I know you've probably been wondering for the past couple of shows, where did you get that incredible furniture, Chloe, that is on your set? Well, today we have all the secrets for you. Joining me today is Stephen Henke, who is from DAP Health. And Stephen, by the way, shout out to you, Stephen. He designed this entire amazing set that you get to see on our shows. It's been on the morning show. And fun fact, Stephen, this is actually all this furniture is from Revivals, right?
Yeah. Well, first, thank you for letting us decorate your set because your show's amazing, and we're
amazing.
Thrilled to be part of it. And you know, I think you're like the shopper that comes into Revivals, right? You want the surroundings to reflect your personality, and you were really clear. You wanted it to be really happy, and you wanted it to feel really fresh, and you wanted to feel like Palm Springs.
Yes.
So we picked these beautiful blush pieces, brand new from our mode collection. In fact, Revivals is the only thrift store in America with its own brand of brand new furniture. And thank you, Valley, for voting us Best New Furniture Store.
Shout out.
But what we did was, I wanted to mix it. I wanted to layer it for that feeling of authenticity. So this rug is new from the mode collection, but it looks vintage.
Yes.
And then we were able to mix in a resale chair. So the sofa is a higher price, but the chair was only $200. And then we were able to bring in a piece of art, which was $30.
Yeah.
And the great martini pillows that you have behind you, which were like $5 each, I think. And so it's that mix of high and low to layer your surroundings, so it doesn't feel cookie cutter. It doesn't look like any other house, or in your case, set in the Valley.
So unique. Now we're talking all about the set, so guys, you know what, we're just gonna give you a walkthrough real quick. So we're gonna stand up real quick because I just wanna give people the full breakdown, because for those that want to, you know, kind of decorate their home with Revivals, which by the way, can you believe this is from technically a thrift store? That is incredible because it's incredible furniture. So we're gonna do a full kind of walkthrough and give us kind of your, you know, where did you know, what was the prices and just how the design of it all kind of comes together.
So we mixed. We did, you know, at a very low price point, we did these sort of like faux marble tables to give an elevated look. You know, bringing in the glass pieces with the mahogany table so that you'd have a little bit of texture and contrast to the blush pink. What we did is we chose pieces, all of the pieces that you see on your set have the same basic metal. So it's a brushed gold on the individual stools, the chairs, the sofa. Even this piece that we found on the thrift side of Revivals, you know, I chose it because it has that unifying gold leg. And I think that's the key when you're shopping resale, is you pick out one thing that will tie it all together. Like I'd seen this piece of art.
I love that, by the way.
Which is mid-century modern, and then that made me feel like you need the lemon yellow pillows to kind of pull it in.
Yeah, and I love how you decorate, because you put together colors that I, you know, as a normal shopper wouldn't think to put together. You do pink, and then you brought the yellow together. So when it comes to this, you just have to find one thing that ties all the furniture together, right?
Yeah, that's right. And I think the key is you have to be true to you, right? Because it's got to reflect your personality, and that's where you were really fun to work with, because you were really clear about like what you wanted this set to feel like. And from that, you know, we say find yourself at Revivals, because we don't tell you what the trends are, we don't tell you what's popular, we just fill the store with tons and tons of resale treasure and as much brand new merchandise as possible, and then let you have fun with it, because it's all about you.
Right, and like we were able to create this incredible set from start to finish. Again, all from Revivals furniture, which has been super neat. I remember when you showed me this furniture, I was just taken back by how incredible it was, and you can get it at a thrift store. Just remind people what makes Revivals so unique and special from any other thrift store that you can shop at, Stephen.
You know, we have like 40,000 people that come through our doors every single month, and I think what makes it special is, first of all, affordability. So Revivals is a thrift store, and so you're going to find amazingly discounted prices on resale product. But we're also a brand new furniture store, and we offer the same affordability with that as well. But the second part is discoverability. It's the thrill of the hunt, right? It's a treasure hunt. If you see it, you grab it that day, because it could be gone and then you'll never see it again. But I think the thing that makes Revivals most special for this community is, ever since it first opened, it has been donating 100% of its profits to fund comprehensive health care at DAP Health, which was formerly Desert AIDS Project.
Yep.
And today, 10,000 individuals call DAP Health their healthcare home. And Revivals and the people who shop or donate at Revivals are a big part of making that impact in our community.
I love that, Stephen. I love that Revivals not only has this incredible furniture, but like he said, all of the proceeds from Revivals goes to TAP Health and helping those in our community. Stephen, thank you so much for coming on the show today. You're incredible. Again, all of this set is from Revivals. For more information about DAP Health, you can go to their website at daphealth.org. We're going to take a quick break, but we will be right back after this.